Hi, I'm Jessi. Welcome to Highly Warped. I'm going to teach you about weaving. The first step is to warp the loom. You want to choose a yarn that's going to be strong enough to hold up to all the tension you're going to be putting on it while you're weaving. My test is to grab the yarn between my fingers and pull on it so that my fingers hurt before I break the yarn. I also try to use a yarn that's not too fuzzy because as you weave, you push down on it like this, and if it's fuzzy, all those little fuzzes will fall off and you'll be left with a really thin yarn that'll break, and that is a big bummer. So pick your strong yarn and hold your loom like this so that the raised bars are on the top and bottom. And take the end of your yarn, drop the yarn ball on the floor, and then tie a double knot to the top left of the horizontal bar. It doesn't have to be very tight, just a regular double knot. Once you have that, you're going to pull, remember holding a lot of tension, straight down, and then right up around the back of your loom, land about 1/4 of an inch away from your knot, and you can pull straight down again. And you're going to keep that 1/4 inch distance and warp as wide as you want your weaving to be. The width of the warp determines the width of the weaving. So if you want a skinny weaving, then you can make a skinny warp. And if you want a wide weaving, then you'll warp all the way across your loom. So now that I have about 4 warps done, I'm going to enter warp speed and get this going. And I'm back to real time. 1 more warp to go. So that's number 20 for me. And I'm going to wrap it around 1 more time. And hold the tension really tight with my thumb. And then adjust where my warps are so that they're all even, about 1/4 of an inch away. If you make your warps really wide, they can be about 1 inch away from each other, but if you do that, you can only make stripes and blocks of color. If you make them tighter together, you can make crazy shapes and patterns. So all of my warps are adjusted, and I'm going to tap on the front to make sure it's tight. And then I keep holding this, and I'm going to cut about 1 foot away from my hands. And then I'm going to tie a double knot here. You might wish that you had 10 extra hands if you need to get someone to help you. It's kind of like tying a bow on a package. But you just tie the knot and slide it right up to the bottom of the loom, and there's your warp. You can find more information in the details and the comments below. Thank you.